so Christmassy and pretty? Like, God, I love it, right? Right? Ah! Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm getting ready for work and I have to do a slight modification, so I have to do this makeup again for the 3rd time in a row. So I just figured that I'd turn into a get ready with me because I wanted to make like a holiday makeup look anyway, which I'll probably do when I get my Ipsy bag, but until then, makeup that I've been doing I think is very applicable for the Christmas season. I always wish I could like listen to music when I'm making videos, but then whatever music I'm putting in is gonna get copywritten, so I just don't do it. I always feel like people who do get ready with me's always have so much to say, and I'm just like, I've got nothing to really say today. I'm just doing my makeup. Also, do you like my backdrop? I like just kind of did a little DIY, bought some Christmas lights. They're in the shape of stars. I wanted something cute. I really should have went with the cascading lights, but I saw the stars and I got starstruck. Okay. I saw the stars and I was like, oh, that's a cute idea. I feel like I should do something cute like that. And I'm not even gonna tell you how I came up with that behind me. I kind of just threw it together. I have decided to learn Ariana Grande's 34-35 song, like the dance that's on TikTok. At first I just wanted to do the floor routine because that looked really cool, and I just have never tried it, so I didn't try it. But I have been practicing like the TikTok dance, and I'm already on day 2 of practicing, and it looks a lot better than day 1, I can tell you that much. Day 1 looked embarrassing. I told myself that I'd give myself like a week, like a full week, and then if it looks good, I'll record it with like a cute makeup look and everything, and I'll post it. That was the plan. Although my friend, she was like, it's so cute, you should post it now. I'm like, I don't know if I should do that one. I mean, we can just talk and like get to know each other. I play Sims. I love playing Sims. I've been playing Sims since the very first one was created. And yes, I was a child. It was rated T for teen. It is now rated E for everyone. But my dad let me play it, and so I got to play it. So yeah, I've been playing it since I was like super young. I love Sims. I honestly would love to like be able to play Sims on this channel. I just don't know how to do that yet, so I haven't looked into how to do that with the recording stuff. But like so many awesome things, I don't know if you guys play Sims, but so many awesome things are happening with Sims. We just got skin tones. I know what you're thinking, how long has this game been out? And we're just getting skin tones, but I'm very excited about it. I get to make all my diverse Sims now. I tried making like, there was a TikToker that I liked, and I tried making him in Sims, and I just couldn't get the skin tone right. And it was making me so upset. I had to settle for just like what was there, but now I can give him an accurate skin tone. That is amazing. I'm very excited for it. They're saying that Sims 5 is gonna come out within like the next year, which is wild. I don't even know if I want, I mean, okay. This is how it works every time. Like, I always see the next pack, right, Sims 5, and I'm like, oh, I don't want it. I'm only gonna stick with what they had before. And then after a while, we see some creators, they make some cool stuff, and then I get the next game, literally, every time. Happened with Sims 3. No, happened with Sims 4 when I had Sims 3, right? I was so used to playing Sims 3. I was like, Sims 4 looks weird, they look like cartoon characters, and they're trying to go for like realism, and I was like, cartoons, not realism. And now I love Sims 4. Especially with their latest expansion pack, they've given us so many more building options, and of course now we've got so much more create sim options, which honestly should have always been a thing. I love the fact that now I'm just nerding out, right? I love the fact that now you can not only change the skin tones, you can also change the makeup to match the skin tones, so your sim doesn't end up looking ashy and gross. Like, I'm so happy. If X Mira Mira ever checks out this video, for some reason she's watching my Get Ready With Me video, thank you so much to X Mira Mira, who was a game changer on Sims and helped in creating this for us. I mean, she's been doing this for years. I'm sure her dream is just coming true right now. I'm very excited for her. Okay, my eyebrows are done. So, what are you guys excited for the holiday season? I know this year is gonna be so much more different than how it's been previously because of COVID, but I mean, for the holiday season, my mom said we were gonna put the tree up like 2 weeks ago and we still haven't yet. I have decided to make cookies. My friend and I are going to be watching some movies virtually. So I decided, I was like, I'll make cookies and like pull apart like cheesy bread and I'll bring it over, drop it off, and then we can go home and like watch movies and stuff. So that's the plan. I mean, I'm gonna be singing some holiday music. I actually have a holiday showcase coming up next weekend. So I'll be posting those songs that I sing on my Instagram and Facebook. I also wanted to post like just some songs that I'm not singing for a showcase, so I'll be posting those as well. I hate like mentioning what I want to post because then it's just like a long list of dreams that I hope to fulfill, and if I don't, then like you guys will know that I said that I was going to do it and I didn't. But I guess if anything, it just keeps me accountable. You know the eye look that I really want to try out? Everyone's been doing like all this makeup with like, oh my god, the white liner. Like they use a white eyeliner, or they just have like different shapes and kind of abstract shapes that they create with liner. It's so cool and I want to do it. So I think I will do it. I think I will. One day. Just like I'm doing the Ariana Grande dance, right? I told myself that I wanted to do it and I did it. I'm gonna move a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing before I do that. I've been doing this thing where I black my brows a little bit. I just kind of clean up underneath them. How are you guys doing on Christmas gifts? I don't know what to get people, and this year's been a tough year, so I just don't know what to get people. So I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go, and I'm trying to make sure that I get it within the next week because, like, dudes, Christmas is fast approaching. I didn't realize how quickly Christmas was just like riding in on a horse. But it is fast approaching and I want to make sure that I can mail everything out before then. Speaking of Christmas, I was like, okay, I always love looking to see what Netflix has coming up every month. And Shonda Rhimes is, she's got a new TV show that's like Gossip Girl meets the 1800s, and that sounds so cool. So my sister and I, we've already planned. We're going to make scones and tea and finger sandwiches, and we're literally just going to like pretend to be like an 1800s cute little like tea party and then watch a bunch of like trashy 1800s Gossip Girl, basically. The show is called Bridgerton and I am excited for it. I think I'm even more excited for it because, I mean, of course, there's just so much diversity in it already, and that's amazing, especially because, you know, you don't get a lot of diversity in the 1800s. But I'm excited to watch it. I'm looking forward to this huge little tea party. I even told my grandma about it because she loves scones. She used to get them on the way to work when she was in New York, and I was like, it'd be so cute to just have this cute little tea party, and so I'm excited for it. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm gonna talk about my eyes now. I'm using ColourPop's Through My Eyes palette. It's my sister's and I stole it from her. I'm using Nostalgia right here. And I'm also going to put Divina in the outer corner. I'm also going to buff it into the crease. Seriously, as I'm here just doing my makeup, I am thinking of my Christmas list. There's also stuff that I wanted. Marvel and Coach had like a collection that they collaborated on, like I think a month ago. And I was like, I'll just get that for myself for Christmas. And that's what I'm thinking of right now. Plus my best friends, I don't know what to get them yet. I can't find my usual blending brush. I'm just gonna use this one, I guess. Blend away all those harsh lines and marks. We don't need them. No greater gift is there than love. I've been practicing. So after you have like this really pretty pink color and you blend in some of the Divina, we're gonna add some like a kind of shiny coppery color. In my case, it's called Mesmerize. I put that right on top of my pink color in the center. And I also get a light pink color called In a Wink, and I put that in the inner corner. I'm actually going to switch brushes for this. And what really sells this look, what really seals it in, well, the top lid at least, is this like kind of shimmery champagne color called Lucido. Put that right in the inner corner as well, which just really brightens up the eye. Oop, I just picked up like 2 different colors. I'm just gonna buff that out. And then I also take a little bit of Lucido and I put that on my brow bone as well. I'm gonna bring like a little more of a brighter color. So before I was using Nostalgia, I'm gonna put some Euphoric on, just like a little bit. And then my secret weapon. I've been seeing everybody doing this where they put like a different color on the lower lash line, and that's what I'm going to do and have been doing for the past 3 days with this job. So we're going to use a color called Moody. Moody. Make sure you're staying really close to your lash line. You don't want it to smudge anywhere else. What I like about the green is that it really kind of accentuates the look, and I love that so much. I'm trying to decide between the two, because here I put a little bit too much, and here I put like the one that I said before, where you just stay up to the lash line. A little one is better, because I feel like if you have a dark color like this on your lash line, or on your lower lash line, you can tend to look a little raccooned out, which is why initially I went with this eye where it's very minimal, because I did not want to look like a raccoon. Get a champagne colored liner, or you could use white. I think champagne helps with this look though. And you're going to put that in the water line. After that, we move on to liner. I do a thin liner here. I want to try it though one day with a thicker liner. I've been in love with the kind of like the 70s style makeup, and this kind of reminds me of it a little bit. So one day I'll try it, but today's not that day. Today I need to replicate what I did for the past 2 days. So just a wing liner, very thin, is what I did. I also make sure to go all the way to the inner corner, just in case I mess up my lashes. You don't really see that I messed up my lashes. Your girl's still learning, I guess. I messed up already because I looked at you. I'm sorry. I'll fix it. Oop, I didn't check my actress access today. I messed up for sure. I'm like, I mean, is anyone going to see it? Besides you, who knows that I messed up? You're not gonna see it. I haven't been putting on highlight very much for this look, but I will do that today. Oh, lashes. I'm gonna put on my lipstick first. I couldn't find my chapstick, and I'm too lazy to actually go get it because I know where it is. So I've been using my Mulan lip gloss, which just ends up giving me a glossy look, and I like it anyway. So put a little bit of gloss on the lower lip, and by a little bit I mean a generous amount. Then I'm using MAC's Sin, and then I just put that on the upper lip, on the lower lip to make it a little more like bright. I'm using Beauty for Real in True Red. I'm going to clean up around the corners, throw on my lashes, and I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. Ta-da! Isn't it so Christmassy and pretty? Like, God, I love it. Right? Right? Ah! Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go finish recording my work video, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna be posting some Christmas songs later. So yeah, if you liked hanging out with me today or liked seeing my makeup look, please press the like button. And if you'd like to see any more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. Have a good day, you guys. Bye!